When fitting insulated panels, it's important to use the correct mastic to avoid water and cold air penetration. Both can reduce effectiveness and invalidate the product's guarantee. For the best seal, always use 5 mm wide by 6 mm thick, high-grade butyl lap mastic. This leaves a slight gap between the sheet overlaps, which prevents deterioration of the coating. Ideally, you would only use one sheet from ridge to eaves to avoid end laps. But on some roofing projects, you might need to use more than one, maybe for ease of handling, span capabilities, or when fitting a roof light. If this is the case, before fixing, apply 3 continuous beads of high-grade butyl lap mastic across the width of the sheet. You'll need 2 runs either side of where the main fixings will go, with the third 10 mm up from the nominal edge. Take care not to stretch the mastic out and ensure it follows the contours of the profile. Once the top panel is fixed into position, apply the side lap seal continuously from ridge to eaves along the crown of the sheet. It's now ready for the next sheet to be laid. Be sure to watch our video on how to fix insulated panels.